Good morning, and my name is Yuki, and I'm a communication specialist of the Pennsylvania Manufacturing Advisory. First of all, I want to thank you for meeting me. We know that your company participated in the project, so could you please introduce some basic information?
Yeah, sure. My name is Brad Pelkofer, the president of Panther Teeth. I engage with Catalyst Connection and the University of Pittsburgh to do a market study on how we could bring Panther Teeth to the market. The idea was to look at the market as Panther Teeth has three different devices, one for athletic shoes, one for ice skates, and one soon to be for boots. To scope the market, which markets to choose to try and penetrate first and which markets to focus on. So really that was the goal of the semester, just to provide Panther Teeth with more market background and opportunity.
Thank you. And we want to know that in what ways this project support or benefits your company?
As you probably know, with most small companies have limited resources, whether it be financial or whether it be people, to enter markets on new products. So it allows me to focus on one market as opposed to try and limit our resources across three markets. So the goal is to better penetrate one market, get market acceptance of the product, and to move from there. So really, if I was to summarize it, it's where best to focus our limited resources.
So have your company made any changes or progress in what you mentioned?
Yes, we've identified the hockey skate market to be the first market to penetrate. I've taken some of the information from the final meeting, companies to contact, groups to contact, free giveaways and free samples that are going out. We've also set up a electronic forum on Google Forms to get feedback from people that are trying these out. So for the next 3 to 4 months, it's really getting feedback from potential customers and the market.
We want to know what impressed you while you were working with the student team.
Really, their level of enthusiasm, the them wanting to engage, looking at different avenues that I have not looked at. Again, most small businesses like myself have limited resources. When you put together a team of 4 MBA students that are excited, showing enthusiasm, they may be looking in other areas and other avenues that I have not considered. That definitely came out of this. And that can really help young businesses like myself grow quicker and get market acceptance quicker.
Thank you so much for sharing your experience and your story. Thank you.